Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to enable the Google Backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Backup and tap on Next. Tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and enter your screen lock to confirm. Now we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Okay, just tap on your Google account, and here we can decide what kind of data we would like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's totally up to you, you can mark both of them and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got in the backup section, we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock, and here we've got the information that we are backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.